Hey everyone, Miss Reimer here with Music Teacher Message. So today we're going to continue unboxing, and I think these 5 here are all the same thing, but I'm not totally sure. So I know what was ordered, I know it should be here, but let's find out. If we check out this box, so in this box, besides bubble wrap, and more bubble wrap, and more bubble wrap, and candy, because the store where we bought these from gives us candy, we have another box. Yay! All right. Ooh, I think it is what I think it is. That didn't make sense. Okay. We've got a wrench, a booklet, a piece of cardboard. Yep, it is. And then, do you know what these are? We got bongos. Oh yeah. There we go. All right. So I really wanted bongos for the room because we didn't have any sort of drums you can use your hands on. We've got like snare drums and toms and bass drums, things for our 5th grade band, but nothing for everyone else. So my last school we had djembes, which are kid drums. They're a little taller and it's just one. And I liked those, but the heads are hard to change on them. So these ones should be easier to change when they wear out eventually, but they should last us a long time. I got this bright blue color just because I thought it was fun, and it kind of goes with our school. Everything's blue. But bongos, we've got 2 different ones. They're 2 different sizes. And then, what's the wrench for? The wrench is for tuning them so that you can have like a lower and a higher sound, and it'll also make it easier to change the heads when the time comes. So we should have 5 bongos now, which is enough for us to trade and take turns, but you know, if you only have one, you have to wait way too long until you get another turn. So I think with 5, we'll still be practicing sharing and taking turns and listening to others, but it won't be so long before your next turn that kids will misbehave and get too impatient. So we now are the proud owners of 5 bongos. Woo! All right, tune in next time to see what else we got. Thanks for watching.